ebizibu oba oli awo ebizibu ne bimuleeta noba n'akola ensobi neffe ensobi tuzivunaana. UPDF ndowooza kye kitongole mu Uganda ekisinga okuvunaana abakozi baakyo mu nsobi kubanga bagenda mu kkooti eza bulijjo ate tulina ne kkooti ey'amagye. Sirabawo ekitongole kirala kiri kinywevu ku kuvunaana abakozi b'ensobi mu kitongole kyakyo nga UPDF. N'olwekyo ndowooza nti tiwali kutomeregana wakati w'abennuuni kwandibaddewo wakati w'abennuuni n'abakwasa amateeka aba FPU.
Ebi yabigamba bwanyuma y'abakiiko mw'ishinjiro abakushitama akakiiko k'ebyobujubi kuhereza kwetombwita kw'abantu abarikutuura aha myaro ningashi barikujuba ebyenyanja kuba amahiga UPDF gababonabonise konga Vincent nikwe kubashaba ngu babagambira abo benyine abarikubabonabonesa babahereza amazina na bwanyuma bajunarunwenka abantu.
Naye wabeerawo akoze ensobi era na wano mu kiwandiiko walabye nga nsaba nti batuweeyo omuntu kubanga luli emabega abantu bebyajja abantu bonna twabanoonya abasirikale abakola ensobi era nitubavunaana era netumanya nti obwomuze guvuddewo gwokutulugunya abantu naye babaayo kakati ngaono gwe bakuwotinza olwaleero nti gundi yafudde namayingo naye abantu bonna ffenna bwe tuba tutambula mu makubo naddala abali ku bitundu ebyennyanja nze bwe nzira yeeka oli bwe yeekanga emmotoka yo ayinza okugirowooza nti yaba FPU nadduka kubanga yogenda okulaba nga pikipiki gyegudde eriko obwennyanja obutokwega oli bw'aba mu nsobi asobola okudduka kati ng'oyo bwe yagenze n'alengera abasirikale yadduzadde akola kibi naga nti bano bajja kunkwata naye ebyo byebintu ebisobola okunoonyerezebwako ne tulaba ekyaviiriddeko omuntu ng'oyo okufa naye teri musirikale ayinza kuwagala kutta Munnayuganda.
Minisita Sempija yaragaye yagira ngu iteeka rikabasa kuba nirabigwaho parliamenti nkonka minisita w'ebyobujubi takabase kuba nareeta amateeka agarikugendera iteeka eryo na bwanyuma abantu babone kwetombwita kurungi.
Ebintu byonna bwe biba eggwanga teribeeramu vacuum teribeeramu mwaganya nti akakati wali gavumenti etteeka lyayisibwa tulimanyi naye minisita gulikwatako tanaleeta biritambuza bagiyita amateeka agatambuza etteeka eryeddene regulations tanazireeta simanyi biriyo era sijja kubyogerako kuba sibimanyi naye manyi nti mu bukulembeze bwa pulezidenti oba mu magezi ga pulezidenti babawa bakyaliwo vacuum waliwo wateekwa okusigala nga waliwo abakola omulimu ogwo okutuuka ate kiri ekitongole ekirabika nga kisingako ne ku maanyi kubanga kyo kyakulonda abantu nga batendekebwa mu byobuvubi ate batendekebwe mu bwobusirikale ate batendekebwe ndowooza kijja na kusingako ku maanyi nze nga bwendaba okumalawo envuba embi nakyo tikigenda kugamba abantu nti amuvube nga bwe mwagala.
Yaragaye ajya nko ku parliamenti yarazeho iteeka ry'obujubi na UPDF nayo nikwe rikwenda ngo habeho enjuba enungi konka etari yo kumara ebyenyanja omu ihanga nikwo kugira ngu baza kukorera hamwe kuranga eki kyahikirira.
Ekigendererwa kya parliament kuga nti amagye gakozeeko tuleete ekitongole ekitendekeddwa mu bugenderevu nga kimanyi ne details ez'obutendekebwe mu byennyanja ate ne mu byamagye so olaba nti ate ekyo kyo kijja kuba kyamaanyiko naye whatever the case ndowooza okumanya kw'omukulembeze amagye gakyakola olw'okubanga kiri ekyogerwako tikinakola tikinaba kubeerawo.
Abwa Gntv AGARIKWOTSYA Atukunda Mathias.
Webere mnonga Atukunda Mathias kandi twayongerayo Minister Helen Adowa yaragaye yasima government ya Uganda ahabwe sente ezerukayo buri mwaka omuriza districts zona eza Uganda kugira ngo za district ezi zibase kutungura ebyentambura ebyabigamba obiyaba ryo mchanga ekyamatemba ga Uganda obiyaba nayiguraho ruguto orwa iningi pachoto omuriserere katubirebe.
in our district. You cannot cross to some villages. And because of this road, it is now making even the business community, especially the fish traders, they are so happy for this road. They have been able to move within a short time. And now, I want to ask the engineers to do their best. I know this money is not enough. I know the 1 billion has to work on 5 roads in Serere district, which is a bit difficult. And I want to ask our government to top more money, especially on the swamp areas. The wetlands are making it hard for this road to be worked on well. And we are worried that maybe by next year's rainy season, it will be very difficult. But even with that, I want to take the opportunity to thank His Excellency, the President, for this initiative of 1 billion per district. It has saved us. We didn't have money to put our roads well. And we want to ask that please, Your Excellency, add more. The road is the first development in any community. Joining another parish to another parish is the best. Because when somebody is sick, people who have been having patients here lose a lot of people, especially women, who are in delivering, all those who are having challenges at night. You have started having pains, and now between here up to the district, most women have lost their lives, they have lost children. So I want to ask us as government to continue with this spirit of special fund like this 1 billion. And if we can even top, it will save this district, it will save Uganda. But I want to thank His Excellency the President, I want to thank the Parliament of Uganda, and I want now to take this opportunity to launch this road on behalf of the government of Uganda and on behalf of Serere district. I hereby launch Iningo Kanyangan Pachoto Road.
The district, I want to request the engineers and those who are working this road to ensure that we have quality work in this road. I also request the community to work hand in hand with our team of the district to ensure that this road is built according to what is planned in the BOQ. Thank you so much.
And at a certain point, the community even had to use boats for crossing. So they welcome this intervention because it has addressed challenges relating to transport. Very many things. The communities benefit from very many things on this road. They benefit from trade because they are able to pick the fish from the lake and then take it to Soroti, take it to Kumi and other parts of Tesoland. And it is also good in that now reaching health facilities has become quite easy for them. That's why they are very happy. So we intend to have this works complete by end of February. That will be about 28th of February. And we've been able to accomplish nearly 85 of the planned activities. And these activities include grading. It also includes graveling, that is putting maram on the road. And we are now going to embark on the culvert installation works and then construction of headwalls. And that should start even tomorrow. So that is it about this construction works.
How many kilometers have you planned to cover with the 1 billion which was allocated to each district?
The 1 billion for the district has planned to rehabilitate 46 kilometers, and already the 13.7 is the one which is under construction currently. Thank you.
You have heard these business people. They deal in fish. Here you don't get tilapia, you don't. It is this mud fish and catfish. Now they have been suffering from Soroti for you to reach here to buy this from the business or the fishers. It is quite difficult. But now within minutes from Serere to here, they are able to reach easily because of the road. And this 1 billion is already opening roads for us. So I want to thank government and Parliament of Uganda for giving every district this money, which is very, very important for our community. Because when you don't have a road, you find that you suffer. Even taking someone who is sick to the hospital gets a problem on the way. You can suffer all night, no vehicle can reach here. But now, this can be able to, within minutes, you can be able to reach Busoga. Because when you use a boat now from here, you go to Alukuluk and then you go to Busoga within Buende. And between here and Buende is really very short distance. In the future, I am sure government will support us to put some bridge here. It's a very short distance. I think it's like 12 kilometers and you will be in Buende. So this is the last village to Buende, and we would even be using here as a shortcut to Kampala. But now you have to go all the way to Palisa Ombale, which takes you almost a whole day. So I also want to thank this community for using big hooks instead of using very small hooks. For this, you can see how big this, and it can save a family. If a family gets this kind of fish, it can help you. Within 2-3 days, you are able to pay your child's fees or your children's fees.
Zasimakajes awa Gntv AGARIKWOTSYA.
Webere mnonga Desire asimwe kajese kantwayo yonjerayo abasako y'amahe aga Uganda erikumanywanka wazarendo erizoba basiba omurubusoga mu district y'Iganga obwo barikwegesa abantu ahabyentunguka hamwe no kubika abantu bagirango ekiretiro bworo bwayiyongera kukanya omubantu no kutegesebwa katubirebe.
Aye training ikaikanya abantu batandika okuba strategic mu ndowooza, abantu baba bayikaika mu ndowooza n'entambula abantu baba bayikaikamu. Aye emperano wano byakugula na twezara yaibe sente. So we can train with you. So long as we organize, we shall come down. No muri Baba the register of cooperatives and are signing up certificate. Yo didn't minister, but you are a way down. Eriko bantu akoza assessment, but darling, you need a registration here. Bumwanga mulisako, ever it's a different thing. You tax exemption. It's a mufuna mulisako.
I'm Lieutenant Colonel Alan Kitanda. I'm the Vice Chairman of Wazalendo Board. And apparently I'm leading a team of both members of the board and management of Wazalendo as part of the efforts to widen the circle movement in Uganda. We have been interacting with a number of circles since the Taresita activities were launched in Buyende. We have interacted with most of the circle leaders. We have been targeting circle leaders, members of management and members in the board, and we have taken it at a district level. We started with Bugweri, then from Bugweri we went to Bujiri, we went to Namayingo, Waine Mayuge, then we went to Namutumba. Today we have been, this morning, we in Ruuka, and then this afternoon we finalized with Iga. So the reason as to why we have taken this down to the people is that the circle movement is one of those tested financial solutions that we may embrace as a nation to get us to another level. because the cooperative movement is an all-embracing philosophy. So if our people embrace the circle movement, which is even emphasized within the national agenda, then we hope people will be able to improve on their financial status. So that is the message that we are sharing with our members, and we are getting interesting feedback from them, and they are really appreciating.
Chairperson wa Women Entrepreneurs Circle, Iganga Municipality Council, or other constituency, Iganga District. Olwaleero tubalina omusomo gwa wazalendo gubaire mulungi ino nga gutugemaku. Lwaki gutugemye kubana abaide mu kintu kya sako wekisako gye tulimu batusomesa ebintu bingi, how they started their wazalendo mu ngeri entono aye buti bakuze balina billions and billions of money nga bali tukubiriza twena tukole ino tufune sente nga ibene tulina independence yaife nga twamala iro okola registration nga tusavinga not through struggle aye mu ngeri enungi etatukalulya ulikukitegera batukoba ku mobilizing aba members abantu abalina okutubako ekibiina we kikomye okuba ekingi nga kiri mu bamemba bangi muganulwa ino batukobera how UPDF balikola mu buli region yona bali kutambula nga batukubiriza nena nawako okukubirizamu muzeeyi mwene tova ku maini kuba yona ensonga ebaire nene abakyala babaire gano bangi abasako dateira lingi da women entrepreneur da produce da saluni abakyala bali involved in Iganga era ababaire gano bona sako ezedo nga bwendimenyemeni dirikola bulungi this critical moment nendo okutwala omukiso kuyoza Major Nola for the promotion. Thank you so much and God bless you. Kolanga ine birungi ebuso oba ine bisoga bwali ebirungi waide luna kulala wafuna obukulu. Next time when you come ojja kuba wangu muzeeyi abeewo.
Kando kwetwargayo Minister Chris Baryomonsi owa ICT yargaye yashekerera abantu aborubaju oruhabura government omunda omwihanga lya Uganda ari kugira ngu abebembezi babo abantu babamanyire bamanye obukoryo bwabo nabwo ekyo tubacenda kwabisibwa. Minister nagira ngu abanya-Uganda hati bagizire obwenje mbamanya enkora zabo zona ezaborubaju oruhabura government nabwo ekyo tubachabisibwa katubirebe.
Minister Chris Baryomonsi kandi honogo orukora nka minister w'ebyakarimagezi nangwa no kumanyisa ihanga ningashi okubuturi ihanga omukarima kaseri iwe cyokwasa kweta ICT Minister and National Guidance hona yargaye no kushekerera aborwaje oruhabura government ahabo kugira ngo abanya-Uganda bwa hati tibakibiha bihwanka abana bato kandi nibamba manye bikugenda mu misho ngo nicyo cyo kurebera oba bemba byari mitumbo mbyena barabasize kubegitaho byari mitumba ningasho kuteka mu bintu nkebyo ombyena.
Because Ugandans are not fools, they can be able to distinguish between a party which has a clear program for the people and a party which is just based on falsehoods, deception, hatred, which cannot take Uganda forward. That's what I was saying, like when our friends mounted a campaign of planting the trees or banana trees in the potholes, Ugandans basically ignored them. Because the question is, so you do it, so what? How shall we benefit as Ugandans if you plant banana trees in the potholes? Yes, even if potholes are there and you plant their trees, so what? How is it putting food on my table as a Ugandan? So Ugandans should now continue shunning those deceptive kinds of politics, and we focus on politics which builds the country.
kandi nangwa yargayo no kujumira abo bona abo rwajuru habura government abo kurgayo ubutosha bakagumana bagira ngo mbo bakwasirwe kandi bariyombe home ningasha abantu babo bakwasirwe bayombe home ahabwo nshonga zibyo bitegeje umuntu mu ihangiri ya Uganda ningashi ba political prisoners yajangwe ibyo ndicuba kandi tina mu Uganda ubi no mu cyhome ningashuri yo mu nkomyo ahabwo kugira ngo bamukwasira bibintu ebyo bwebembezi ninge byo bubururu.
So for people to claim that they are political prisoners, how come those people who are making the claims haven't been imprisoned themselves? Because they are members of the opposition, elected members who are known. If there was any need to arrest the opposition, it would start with those who publicly profess and they are known. But that is not there. My advice to all of us political actors is that we should have a message to give to the population and mobilize people and then give people a chance to choose the political parties, the leaders they want when time comes. But this propaganda, just falsehoods, deception, hoodwinking the public, I don't think it will take Uganda anywhere. It won't take Uganda anywhere. So in the answer to your question, there are no political prisoners in Uganda. Whoever has been arrested, it must be on the basis of suspicion of committing a crime.
kandi ho naho nehe yaragerayo no kushaba abibyo kwirinda umuntu mu ihangari ya Uganda nangwa nabo bona byo kwataho okubasa kurgayo bakagumana bakwata abantu mateka gashikire kandi nangwa nabo bona abariyo mbehome ogumana batwara mu mbuga z'amateka bakaciro imishango yabo omukire akarugambo omungendero ho yihangari ya Uganda okugira ngo bareke kuhenda amateka kandi obwe no bakwatsa amateka.
But we also urge police and security agencies that once they arrest somebody, the arrest should be done in a professional manner, and people should be kept in the police cells in the stipulated time as per the constitution, and then if there is a case against them, they should be taken to court, and then the judicial process takes its due course. We do not condone irregular or illegal arrests of anybody, irrespective of the political persuasion of any Ugandan. Irregular and illegal arrests are illegal as the name sounds. They are not condoned by government. And the manner of arresting should be professional. Nobody should be tortured. Nobody should be beaten. But also Ugandans, when you are confronted, approached by police, you should cooperate. And then you answer whatever question they want to put to you. There is no point in trying to resist, because police under the law is also authorized to use minimum force to enforce the arrest. But there is no need for that confrontation once police has come to arrest anybody. But nobody should or nobody is arrested because of his or her political party, because political parties are lawful structures, are lawful organs in this country, because we allowed lawfully to go into multi-parties.
ahanshonga y'abararo kwija kushitamo mu cyangi cya Busoga hona yarge no kugira ngo nibikerezo bwa kandi binorsa okubasa kuzumu cyangi cya Busoga batyo bakashitama kandi nangwa bakateka mushike bit ibi byona bine kubikora mu mateka gashikire kandi n'ingenderaho ezitebekine kurunje okugira ngo n'abantu bokwe batunga kasingi.
So anywhere in the country, provided you acquire the land and your nature of settlement has been done lawfully. So you cannot say that Chigezi is for only Bachiga or Banyachigezi. No, we have many people from Uganda who settled and live in Chigezi. As long as you have acquired the land and the property legally, there is no problem. So even the Bararo, those cattle keepers, if they go in an area like northern Uganda or Buganda, anywhere, if somebody comes and buys land and he has paid for it and he settles, that one is not a problem. Where the problem of Bararo comes is where somebody comes with his or her cows or animals and starts grazing in people's land with no authorization. Those ones are being evicted. Those ones, there is an order that they should go back where they came from. So let me hope what you are saying, the Buganda caucus announced, they are not meaning that nobody should come and settle in Buganda. No. Because like Buganda is not for Baganda. Buganda is for Ugandans. The way Ankole is not for Banyankole. It is for Ugandans. You can go buy land in Ankole and settle there. Whether you are a Karimajong or a Rugubar or a Musoga, that is not a problem because we can settle anywhere in the country provided you have settled there lawfully. That is not a problem. What we do not support is somebody just coming and occupying somebody's land without any authority, without any formal way of legalizing that settlement. So, at the Songa Yabalaro, government yalagira nti abo abayingira mu bitundu tebaguze ettaka tebalina nkolagana na nannyini ttaka ne batandika kulunda abo bajja kuddayo ewaabwe. Naye omuntu ng'abazze n'ayitira mu mateeka oba n'agula oba n'akwatagana nannyini ttaka ngu awo tewaliwo nkaayana, awo kiba tekirina buzibu. Ekizibu kiri kwabo abaleeta ente n'ebisolo ne batandika okulunda ate ngu tewali abakkiriza okulundira mu mataka g'abantu. Abo twasaba nti baddeyo ate poliisi ne army aba gavumenti babayamba okuddayo gye bava.
Asimwe Kagesi ahabwa GNTV AGARIKWOTSYA.
Webere mnonga asimwe Desire Kagesi ahabwa amahurirago kandi katichiro wobu kama bwa Buganda ow'ekitinisa Charles Peter Mayiga yargayo yashaba abantu bona omwihanga ry'eto lya Uganda okwejumbira omukingo mwani baba nibenda kutunguka. Mayiga yagira ngu akatare ko mwani keyonjire omuri Uganda nahabw'ekyo abantu beine kwejumbira omukingo mwani kugira ngu betunguri. Katubirebe.
Katikiro w'Obwakabaka bwa Buganda ow'ekitinisa Charles Peter Mayiga hona yargayo no kushiga abantu na munonga omu Bwakabaka bwa Buganda okugira ngo bunde bakagumana bakwata kurungi ekihingwa ky'omwani baba nibenda kutunguka ngo ahabwo kuba nicyo kibabisizeho kandi hona nicyo kibatungwire akire kona ebyonna abigambire obwabire atayayireho omwanya gumu mbatongoza embibo y'omwane kandi hona rigireyo n'okugira ngu abanya-Uganda bine kukwata kurungi ekihingwa ky'omwana ahabwo kuba nicyo kibatungwire kandi hona kiine n'esente nyingi kandi nangwa n'ekyo bugiga.
Era emmwanyi zaadobonkana abantu ne batandika n'okuzitema ebuddu eyo abantu baatema emmwanyi kijjukira bulungi nali mulenzi muto kubanga nga tebazifunamu katwagala mwe munywerere ku mmwanyi naye mujja kuzinywerera nga muzifunamu. Era okufuna mu mmwanyi kyetaaga okuzifunamu mu ngeri zino nga 3 zengenda okwogerako. Ekisooka okusimba ebika by'emmwanyi ebisobola okulwanyisa obuwuka, ebisobola okugumira ekyeya, era okusimba ebika by'emmwanyi ebigendera ku mbeera z'ettaka ery'ebitundu eby'enjawulo. Tugambe ebugisu Arabika addayo mangu kubanga Arabika ayagala nnyo okkulira mu nsozi. Wano tulima robasita kubanga ayagala nnyo embeera y'ettaka lino lye tuliko. Ekyokubiri ng'onoofuna mu mmwanyi olina okumanya ennima entuufu. Era emabegakaawo twatongoza olupapula simanyi oba ekyaggwe lwatuukayo okuli emitendera 16 omulimi gy'alina okugoberera asobole okufuna ekisingira ddala mu mmwanyi okuva lw'osimba nga bwe nsimbye omuti guli wali okutuuka lw'okungula. Kubanga bw'olima obulimi emmwanyi n'ozirekawo tofunamu. Olina okumanya oziwembera, okuziweta, okuzisalira, okuzikoola, bw'oba oziweta zitunulawa, bw'oba oliisa bigimusa ki, emitendera 16. Ekyokusatu, abantu okusobola okufuna ekiwera mu mwanyi nga tugatta ku mutindo. Addition again, we get more money from coffee. With more money from coffee, people are going to take care of their homesteads, they're going to take kids to school, they're going to take care of their health needs. But we also want them to live decently, like the minister said. Minister abagambye ensonga enkulu ennyo gye mbasaba muteekeko omwoyo. Bw'obanga olima emmwanyi nga wafunyemu akasente si kayitiridde, longoosa embeera z'obulamu bwo basebo ne bannyabo, longoosa woosula. Minisita ayogedde bulungi, bw'oba oli mulimi wa mwanyi yambala ekkanzu yo ng'etukula, bategeere nti omulimi w'emmwanyi ayambala ekkanzu etukula. Ekintu ekyo kikulu nnyo, njagadde okukiddamu kubanga sikyogererangako mu kyaggwe, nkyogeredde mu bitundu ebirala, ate baminisita nze mukulu waabwe, bye boogera nze mbikoona mu sitampu n'embikakasa. Minisita wayogedde bulungi bakubira engalo. Mulongoose amaka gammwe, teweetaaga kuba mugagga okubeera omuyonjo. Omwana n'akulira awaka ng'olujja luba lwere, olujja lw'omulimi lw'emmwanyi twagala baligoligo nga balimi ba mmwanyi. Olina yika z'emmwanyi 5, kyekigaana okusima oluzzi ofuna amazzi ag'emidumu mu maka go. Omwana akule ng'asumulula tapu. Kambabuulire ekikola kinene nnyo ku birowoozo by'abaana. Kyabagambye ekituufu nnyo, si balooya bokka be balina obulamu obulungi, n'abalimi b'emmwanyi basobola. Mulongoose embeera z'obulamu bwammwe, eyingiza amasannyalaze, genda okugula olusowaani lwa sola. Abaana boggo omulimi w'emmwanyi bambaze engatto, tebagenda mu kereziya mu kanisa nga tebalina ngatto. Oli mulimi w'emmwanyi olina yiga 5, omwana bwagenda ku Sande okusaba alina okuba mu ngatto. Naye ku ssomero gula essowaani olabe terefayina, kabaka onoomulabawa. Essowaani ekwata ebifaananyi. N'olwekyo tutandike nga tunywa kaawa. Gwe ekirime kyeweerimira gwe tukinywa onookifunamu oti. Amatooke, tusinga okulima amatooke mu Africa oba mukimanyi Uganda, naye tetulina kizibu kyakatale kuba tugalya. Bwe kiri tugalya, era abalimi b'amatooke balina ssente tebazirina temubamanyi. Mwami Lubega ono kojjanga ali luddawo. Yamba enkota y'ettooke emwenkana obuwanvu, ayinza obutaba na ssente oyo. Era yansanyusa nnyo kuba abaana yabambaza ovulo ne tugenda mu nnimiro, ekyo kyenjagala. Ate ng'abaana era bali mu ssomero. Kaawa mumunywe, tagenda balwaza ntunnunsi. Bano basayansi bano bajja kubabuulira. Entunnunsi ozirwala bibyo, si lwa kaawa. Lwa bintu birala. Munywe kaawa. Bano banagenda okujja otujjako kaawa waffe, bano abaagala bansanga birimire. Mubamanyi. Nyonyi terima muwemba, esanga mulimire. Oba wali adde omuwemba gwo, enyonyi terina kyeneesanga. Nga n'akasente ofunye. Sanyuse nnyo okubeera wano bannaaye, kammalirize kubanga nkyatambula, nkyeyongerayo ku nsonga zino ez'emmwanyi. Naye sebo director nja kudda, tujja kukola enteekateekani. Bagamba batya muli naagaruka. Kyekyo, nja kudda kyeboga naagaruka. Ninja kugaruka. Nja kudda. Kubanga nange njagala okwongera okwetegereza ebintu bino. You see, we are not doing this thing for show. We are very intentional. We are very purposeful We must bring about social and economic transformation of the country, and this can do it. Coffee can do it. Abwesho nijo kugaruka. Nebaza abaana ab'ekisoga bombi babadde b'ekisoga. Waliwo abaana bakubye bandi, waliwo abaana abatontomye, waliwo abaana abazinya amazina. Obubaka ndoza mbadde mbuulira. Omanyi abaana bano bwe bayimba oluusi ne butayogera. Bwe n'owulira kuwuliza ebigambo byabwe, bw'obanga pasita Bujingo ng'ogamba akitegedde kubira Mukama mu ngalo. N'abagoma tubeebaza nnyo. Nebaza abakulira ekifo kino. Mwebale
za asimwa kagesi ahabwa GNTV AGARIKWOTSYA.
Uganda kurabira mu kitongore ekiri kumanywa nka NEC watu neja kutandika kukora obujejena bwa motoka narishi ekituri kumanya nka filters za motoka omukarumya kace kandi eki nikija kutungura ihanga no kwongera ahantasya yihangeri nikigambwa ngu omu bwa filters obu harimo sente nyamwingi ebyona byagambwa Lieutenant General Mugira obo obiyaba natongozaho ikorero erya bwa filters obo omurimbare omurugwizoba bwa Uganda katubirebe.
Ekitongore kiri kumanya nke kya NEC watu hono mwihangeri ya Uganda izo alyanywa abazyo kirije cyatongozobwa kandi hona cyahebwa sente nangwa no kumanywa kugira ngo nicyo kirabe nkikora filters ze motoka ningashi ka filters umundu mwihangeri ya Uganda kandi nkitekatekwa kwija kuba nikishoza filters zo kuhika obukikuru kamwene shitweka buri mwaka umundu mwihangeri ya Uganda. Ekitongore cy'ukumanka cya National Enterprise Corporation kikwatanise na watu kandi hona omukono gw'ebyesente ahabwa Ministry y'ebyo kwerinda kandi nangwa na Veteran Affairs omundu mwihangeri ya Uganda kirigireyo cyarangirire kandi owo kitinisa arikumanka Lieutenant General James Mugira orumukuru w'ekitongore cy'ukumanka cya NEC nwargireyo akarangirire ebi akagira ngo nikija kuyambaho nangwa no kwera Uganda okugumanisho za ka filters buri mwaka kandi tatire mu kasente kingi.
Mbare Industrial Park kutongoza factory yafe egenda kubera ngo ikora filters ze motoka kwegambe no phase 1 eno factory endara eja kubange ikora motoka ate twatandise ndoze mwazirabi njya kusaba ugendo usirabe bifananyo oragaba na Uganda motoka ze tukorera wano mu Uganda eno phase 1 ate abazikora bafi abaneki the National Enterprises Corporation ekitongore ekikora business on behalf of Ministry of Defense ne UPDF twakora partnership ne company y'aba China yabaita watu ne tujyamu joint venture yabaita NEC watu so kitatulese wano mwebare kujya yokulaba ekikora okuburira bana Uganda tukati byo tubade tujja bweru katugenda kubikorera wano ate tukakasa tibigenda kubera by'omutindo ogwa waggulu ate ne bay egenda kubera nungi okusinga byembade mugura kubanga bwe mukimanyi ogenda mu market waliwo ebirala bye baleeta mu ngasi birungi kabiri fake products ate byonona motoka zaffe kati ffe kye tubabuulira kyetwagala kubakakasa nti bye tukora wano tugenda kubera bya mutindo ogwa waggulu twagala kukola emotoka 13,000 buli mwaka ate ne filters million emu n'ekitundu tugamba business plan yaffe tutandika mpola mpola tugenda kuongezamu okutuuka bwe tunatuusa capacity eyo gyemba okulidde
motoka zino mugenda zikolera wanembale oba
emotoka tutandise tutukolera saidi z'enamave naye kati tugezaako okufuna ettaka eddeneko kuba twagala ku increasinga production yaffe indeed kati bw'oboora motoka zaffe ngeza neki ng'ekitongole kyaffe kya NEC Security motoka nga 10 zonna ze bakozesa ziva ku kampani yaffe NECWATO waliwo byebaweereza abantu be bayita investors kati naffe tukwalifyinga kuba investors n'olwekyo kati twogera ne Ministry ya Finance okulaba nti emisolo eyo naffe bakola ki budget tufuna incentives nga ba investors bonna abalala bakye tukola kikulu nnyo mu ggwanga lyaffe kigenda kutuyamba okuteekako omusingi gw'amaanyi okuleeta amakolero agagenda kutuyamba okuweereza abaana baffe kati abannayuganda bonna mwebuli ndowooza tujja kubalaga products zaffe, motoka zaffe, filters zaffe, muzigezeeko mujje mu supporting tukolere wamu tuzimbe eggwanga Ojera. Nze managing director wa kitongole kye bayita National Enterprise Corporation. Ekyo kitongole kya National Enterprise Corporation kiri wansi wa Ministry of Defence ne UPDF. Kwegamba kye kitongole ekikola business on behalf ya Ministry ya Defence na Veteran Affairs na amagye. Ministry bwe bayagala kukola business oba amagye gakisindikira ya National Enterprise Corporation. So nze nzakikulira Lieutenant General
Or State Minister ahabwa enshonga z'ebyokwerinda nangwa na Veteran Affairs omundu omuyanga ya Uganda oboth honabira lya mukoro nigwo gumwe gukwasa kutongozaho no kwiguraho ikorere erya NEC watu hona rigireyo no kugira ngo obwa hati ikorere nirije koletaho empinda hinduka mpango omundu omuyanga ya Uganda no koletera bingi bakundi ihanga lya Uganda abo kugira ngo ebintu byingi nibiko bikorro mu ihanga kandi obwe bikurabira omu kitongore ekyo nagira ngo filters zirakorwe nizije kuyambaho abanya-Uganda munonga.
And Watu to come up with NEC Watu Automobile Uganda Limited participating in the development and management of automobile related industrial projects in Uganda. This innovation has made a big impact on the automobile sector in Uganda, and the government is eager to see more of these innovations being spread out in this country. In a special way, let me also appreciate the growing friendship between Uganda and China, which has given birth to so many market innovations like the vehicle filters and air cleaners factory being launched today, and of course the motor vehicle assembly plant. These strides symbolize the growing spirit of what a partnership between the two countries can do, and also how strategic partnership towards a common goal can be very powerful. This innovation shows how much our country is willing to enhance what is revolutionary and bring development closer to its people. And I want to urge the innovators and investors to look at this as an inspiration that they too can create work that will change the world, because our end goal is to view Uganda from the world spectrums as a being that lies technology intelligence, which will bring in more investment. I also wish to commend the efforts of these investors who have chosen Uganda as their home for business in Africa. Thank you very much for choosing Uganda. And the belief investors have in us is what inspires us to keep doing better. And we, as government, are fully committed to supporting innovations in science and technology. And I want to urge all Ugandans to embrace BUBU, Buy Uganda, Build Uganda, and Buy Africa, Build Africa strategies by buying the products produced from this factory for God and my country.
Diza asimwa kajesi ahabwa GNTV AGARIKWOTSYA.
Wewe mnyonga Diza kajesi kandi twabantendera amakuru gitu gerisoba katugaruke umbekuru ebyija bwebembiri.
AGARIKWOTSYA erizoba Minister w'amahe Vincent Bamuranga Kisempija yarwiye ajangwa amahe gahamyaro tugarije kwihwaho hakubana garwanise njubambi.
tikigenda kugamba abantu nti amuvube nga bwe mwagala. Ekigendererwa kya parliament kugamba nti amagye gakozeeko tuleete ekitongole ekitendekeddwa omugenderevu nga kimanyi ne details.
Sako yamahe ya wazalendo yasibo mu Busogo mu district ya Jinja hamwe na Iganga erikushomesa abantu okuba kubasa kubikira nyensya.
People will be able to improve on their financial status. So that is the message that we are sharing with our members, and we are getting interesting feedback from them, and they are really appreciating.
Minister w'byamahurire kuri sibaryo munsi yashabanya Uganda kugondera polisi yabanekore mirimo yaye.
They are not condoned by government, and the manner of arresting should be professional. Nobody should be tortured, nobody should be beaten. But also Ugandans, when you are confronted, approached by police, you should cooperate, and then you answer whatever question they want to put to you. There is no point in trying to resist because
aganagandi omubwijire taragagarukosya.
Agon goto abatwinire omugarukosya erizoba kandi ninkwendeze kiro kirungi bito takayebwa ngo program ya evening special elimination hamwe na Bishop Dr. Silas Tayebwa nezindi programs nyingi nyamurungi ahari Gntv nekwa amagara natsugarandi Claire Tumwine imbendeza ekiro kirungi.